That is a special city. Look at the house. Okay. Whew. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So vlog today is a bit different than last week. Right now I'm located in a destination called the Oudong Hill. It's about 40 minutes away from Phnom Penh. Yeah, let's enjoy the day today. Cheers.
lại kiềm này này. Nhưng bạn nếu cặp trang chiều nhưng lượng nó một cái hàng. Đấy một cái hàng kìa chứ sập mờ. Ở đây có món hàng. Đây là món hàng.
Em đào đông hai ngày nè.
Nó bán buôn mới giảm mất.
So the girl found a place that sells some barbecue chicken. There's some black chicken and some yellow chicken. A lot of food. Okay. So okay. The black chicken. Akone, thank you. Ooh. And also we got some banana. Some bee, bubble bee.
Ada tinh ticket. Ui ở đây nhang sang luôn mày đá. Cái ly kia đỡ hộp. Luôn mày đá bó.
This is the palm. What is it called? Palm fruit. Palm root.
Cái muối phi, tầm muối bánh này.
Em phải ăn.
Thằng có phim rồi. Con. Afghanistan.
So as you can see in this video, it's a little bit different. It's very hard to narrate in here because it's very crowded. And today is, I'm not sure, but it's more people than usual. Maybe it's a Sunday and maybe COVID is not too bad now. And yeah, stay tuned. I'll be showing you more. I believe we got everything we need for today's lunch. We're gonna head back to where we have lunch. Okay, so we are back from the little trip to some small shopping for lunch, and it's almost 3 o'clock. I'm kind of hungry. Still no lunch yet. Yeah. Thank you, you guys. Staying tuned. Keep checking on my video. We got some barbecue oyster, not really oyster, but chicken. So we make it to the dirt road in here on the way back to Phnom Penh, and we decided to do a little tour around this area to see what's going on. Maybe get a chance to get some good clips, something beautiful. It's been a while since I ride on this dirt road. Seems like the ADV is doing just fine, taking on this dirt road. So I'm stuck. Okay. Cho nhóm lực khỏi ok. Đấy. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Whoa. Whoa. 1, 2, 3. Big sand. Woo. Mấy dữ à?
Đây sai cái hay ăn đi hừ. Căng không á,